I'm here with Takaki and Peter, and they're working faithfully the Folium Vineyard daily, practically. So guys, we're getting close to picking. What do you think the 2016 vintage is going to be like for you?
It will be actually quite interesting vintage that we have such a dry spring, but we had a quite good rain just before the flowering and just around the blossom, which is a critical time for the vine. So far I'm quite happy. So we just need to try for a good weather for next week.
So one more week, that's all we need.
Yep.
Takaki, we're in your Sauvignon Blanc block,
Yep.
and well, it looks great. How are we doing?
We are about a week to go to harvest, and now we are having a little bit of rain before about a week ago, and now it's drying again. So flavor is just sitting there, and it's going to be a quite nice vintage for this year.
Well, they look absolutely great. They've got a lot of colour on them. Takaki, what are you pouring?
It's a Pinot Estate 2016,
Okay,
which we just pressed.
let's have a look at that glass. Wow, you can see the juicy colour there. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I mean, still we just finished the first primary fermentation, so it's quite difficult to say how it's going to taste at the end.
So here's to beginning harvest. Cheers.